Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can customize your screen timeout on your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. For that you want to go to your settings and then go to display and brightness. And then you have the option screen here and sleep. When you click on it, you have a little menu and can choose between 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes and 10 minutes. So you can now choose whatever you like. 15 seconds, personally I think that's a bit too short. 30 seconds, 1 minute. Also everything above 5 minutes I think is a bit of a safety issue, so people could just get to your phone easier, and also your battery will drain faster. You just saw it 15 seconds, so after 15 seconds that you don't touch your phone, it will go black and then lock itself. So we choose 2 minutes now, and then if we don't touch our phone for 2 minutes, it will get dark and then lock itself. Then you can just go back and use your phone as normal, and if you don't touch it or use it for a while, then it will turn off automatically. That's how you customize your screen timeout on your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.